set up pupil groups, you're going to go to Manage Pupil area, Manage Pupils who can log in. This is going to give you a list of all pupils that have been listed in Schools Finder from your school MIS. To create a group, you're going to go on Add a Pupil Group. You're just going to pop your group name in. And then you're just going to click into the individual classes and then select the relevant students. So I'm going to go into Year 4. You can then select different pupils from different year groups, and then once you're happy with your group, you're just going to click Save All Details at the bottom. If you go to your List All Pupil Groups here, you can see that you've got a list of all groups that have been set up. You can edit these and delete these at any time. Once your pupil groups have been set up, they are going to show in your Parents area. For any form of parent communication, it will always allow you to send it to a group, and you can then select the relevant groups that you've set up.